Hey guys, Jesse Razo here once again. Just got another website tactical review that I wanted to do on provide some value not only to the owner but also to the community in regards to what's working, what's not, some of the strategies that we would implement on this particular website to help them grow their business and attract more retail customers. Whether you're mobile and or you have a brick and mortar location, whether you're in PDR with ding and dent repair, or you're specializing in automotive hail repair, all these strategies can help you grow your business, and it's important to stay focused and stay conscious about the different opportunities that you have out there to take ground. So I'm going to go through this website real quick. Name of the site is Dent Geek, Paintless Dent Removal, and basic form website, communicates some informational, it's an informational based website, meaning there's not a lot of functionality in here. We don't have a lot of calls to action and or conversion processes on the website. So there is some opportunity there in regards to converting more of the web traffic. I took a look at their page tags. It looks like that they have Google Analytics set up on the site twice, which can cause some issues, and there is no conversion tracking from a paid advertised standpoint. So I would assume that this customer is not advertising. There is no Facebook pixels, no paid advertising tracking tags in regards to Google. So a couple of different opportunities from a paid advertising standpoint, and also tracking conversions on the site is just to set up a conversion process where instead of an informational site where you hand somebody a brochure, what I would do is I would turn this into a sales site and walk people through the sales process. There's 3 questions that you want to answer on your website. Who are you? Why do I care? And what do you want me to do? And you want to make that as low friction as humanly possible in regards to getting people to where they need to go. Looks like this customer is out of San Diego, California. They have information there. Let's go ahead and do a quick search online in regards to their business page listings. Now this is one of the fastest ways to gain ground in regards to your local market, as by putting together a business listing. What this does, this leverages business page directories, it leverages your business pages, it leverages mobile mapping and also voice search. And we're a strategic partner with YEX, so we leverage their environment in order to provide our local marketing strategy to, if I can get this scan to work, well, take a look at how their business is showing up. Business type, single location, sorry I had that wrong. So we'll go through a basic scan, and what this does is it looks at the presence and authority of the business online. How many directories are being listed for this company? How many business pages do they have set up? Is the name, address, and phone number congruent across the internet? Because those are like road signs that point back to the business and back to the website. So it helps leverage things like searches in the local area, regardless if they're done on the desktop or if they're done on mobile devices, on mapping software, and or done with voice search, which is on the rise, and we want to make sure that we leverage the technology and future-proof each business that we work with. So as you can see here, there's a lot of missed opportunities in regards to business page listings and optimization of the site. Only about 8% of the available listings out there are being leveraged, as you can see here, and there are some discrepancies in regards to the listings online. So I'm not sure if this is a new business or has been established for a long time. Let's see here. They have an FAQ page, which is incredibly powerful. I think it's an important part of the process to educate consumers. What we do with our customers is recommend they put together a media plan that focuses on the work that they do, the customers they serve, and then educating future customers. FAQ pages are an important part of that process because not everybody's familiar with the paintless dent repair process. Not all repairs qualify, so being able to answer those questions on the front end can help you filter through looky-loos and really get to paying customers when it comes to your business. So a couple of different things that we would do in regards to the page. One of the things that we don't see is that customer leveraging customer reviews on the page. We don't see any structured data on the page, so we're missing out on when the search engine comes through and crawls the page. So that's a missed opportunity and something that we would highly recommend for this customer. I love the fact that it has a service area. What I do is probably expand on each one of the services, providing at least anywhere between 300 to 500 words on each service, talking about what the service is, who it is that you serve, and again, educating people about the individual services. And that can get challenging sometimes, but you want to definitely do that so that you can help the pages rank when people are searching for specific products or specific services. You want to have content on there, you want to have information that people utilize, and copy content is an incredibly powerful way to do that. You can also do things like utilize videos so that when people come to the website, they engage with your content from a video standpoint and they stick on the website. That reduces the number of bounces that come when people do land on your website, which improves your authority and your page ranking online when you're talking about people searching for products and services on Google, Bing, Yahoo, or any of the other search engines that are out there. Pricing, again, you'll love to have this as an education process. Of course, one of the things that we do with our customers is have them talk a little bit about price variances, because we all know that the pricing of PDR repairs vary based off of location of the dent, accessibility, severity, things of this nature, and being able to communicate that can, again, help you with the sales process. You can do this with copy content on your website, or you can do this with a nice price variance video where you kind of go through the different types of repairs and what varies the price associated with that repair, whether it's in the middle of a panel, it's on a body line, it's a deep crease, or just a standard small ding, can vary that price considerably. And that can be a powerful thing when you can communicate that. There's a lot of ways that you can get that out to people. You can do it via a video and message it out during the quote process. When you're qualifying them for the repair, you can say, hey, you know what, send me some pictures and I'll give you an estimate on your repair, and then thank them for the photos. Let them know that you're reviewing the damage and that you'll give them a call with a pricing so that you can close that. But when you respond to that, you can provide a link to a price variance video, which is a really powerful way to set the expectation of the sales. When you're talking about closing more deals, you want to make sure that you manage the expectation from a sales standpoint. And a really easy way to do that is to provide information at specific points during the sales process. So one of the ways that you can do that, and something that we practice, is with those price variance videos, sending that information back, making sure that's in the sales process so that when you do finally get them on the phone to schedule an appointment to do the repair, you can actually sell the repair for a higher value and get more money out of that repair. So we cover that in our Titan training. We do some sales training in the Titan training, so if you haven't seen that, look out for that. And let us know what you thought of this tactical review of the Dent Geeks Paintless Dent Removal website. Leave us some comments. Connect with us on YouTube and or our Local Marketing Hacks Facebook group, and or you can subscribe to Local Marketing Hacks membership site and get exclusive content to help you grow your paintless dent or automotive hail repair business. Until the next time we speak, make today and every day a fantastic day. I'll talk with you real soon.